Let's talk about solving equations where you have a rational equation. A rational equation is an equation in which there's an x value in the denominator. If this is the case, you must always keep in mind the denominator should never equal 0. The reason for that is because if you have a 0 denominator, then your equation is undefined. So let's take a look first at find the values of the variable that make this denominator 0. You can quickly tell that x plus 4 would need a negative 4 to make it 0. So let's keep in mind that negative 4 would be one of our restrictions. 9 can never be 0. There is no variable there. And 9x plus 36 could only equal 0 if that negative 4 were inserted, because that would give me a 0 denominator. Thus, the only restriction is x equals negative 4. That means negative 4 cannot be an answer in this equation. Now let's go ahead and solve this equation. I have 4 over 9x plus 36 equals 6 over x plus 4 minus 2 over 9. The first denominator could quickly be factored as 9 times x plus 4. So notice, it's really the same thing as the other two denominators put together. So my least common denominator that I will use to cancel with is 9 times x plus 4. So I'm going to put some parentheses just to make it nice and neat and put my 9x plus 4 to the outside. Remember, that's really over 1. So all of the first denominator in the original problem would cross cancel with my common denominator, leaving simply 4. Isn't that wonderful? Then the second fraction has the least common denominator multiplied and canceled by it. The x plus 4 would cancel out, leaving 9 times 6, which is 54. Then the last term will be multiplied by 9 and x plus 4. Only the 9 cancels out, leaving the negative 2 parentheses x plus 4. I must distribute here. So I will have a negative 2x and multiply to get a negative 8. Be very careful with your signs. Now notice we have like terms, 54 minus 8. Well, 54 minus 8 is going to give me 46. And I have 46 minus 2x on the right. Next, I will subtract the 46. And 4 minus 46 is negative 42. I would then divide by negative 2, and my solution is positive 21. Now that is the true solution since it does not contradict the restriction. Had my answer been negative 4 and my restriction was negative 4, this equation would have no solution. Good luck.